Right. Now, under this pie chart one, the first step is you have to find the fraction for each person. So first I'm taking for Malik, and the next one is Sophie, and my third one, Katrina and Kalu. Okay. So when I'm going to find the first step, I have to write it as a fraction. So to get the fraction, first I have to add these things. Number of votes, I have Malik 5, Sophie 8. So first I'm going to add everything. So when I add 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 11, 24, 24 plus 6, it's 30. So my total is 30. Then I have to write each person's votes as a fraction. So when I take Malik, it should be 5 out of 30. So that is the first step, remember. Then when I go for Sophie, it should be 8 out of 30. Like that way you write. That is how we do in pie charts. Then here 11 out of 30. And for the column, I have 6 out of 30. Now they are asking you to draw a pie chart. So when you are going to draw a pie chart, we know in a pie chart always we consider the angles theory. Angles at a point add up to 360. So you have to get it with the degrees only we are going to draw. So therefore, you have to consider it with 360. So then each fraction, I'm going to convert to the degree. See my Malik, the first one, I have 5 out of 30. I'm going to find with 360 degrees. So that is what I'm going to do. Now I can cancel. I'll change the color. I can cut 1 0 to 1 0. Then I can take 3 times 1 and 3 times 12. So 12 times 5, I'm getting 60 degrees. That is for Malik. Then the same way I'm finding for Sophie, I'll take with 360. Why we are taking with 360? We know angles at a point add up to 360 and we are drawing in pie chart. So it's in a circle. So that is why we are using that. So 0 to 0, I can cancel. 3 times 1 and 3 times 12. So 12 times 8, I'm getting 96 degrees. So remember, first you write, you add all the numbers and get the fraction for each. After that, you get it with 360. If you follow these steps, then you won't get any mistake. Now this I will multiply 11 times 12. I'll straight away multiply with 12. 12 times 1, 12. I write 2 and leave 1. 12 times 1, 12. 12 plus 1, it's 13. So I'm getting 132 degrees. Then again with 360. 3 times 1 and 3 times 12. So 12 times 6, it's 72. Then you add and see whether you are getting 360. Right, I'm just adding from the last number. 6 plus 2, it's 10. Then 10 degrees plus 60, it's 70. Then 70 plus 90, it's 160. 160 plus 130 plus 70. Years I'm getting 360. Now I got my answers. Now remember, when you're drawing the pie chart, you do not want to draw accurately. If they ask you to draw accurately with these degrees, you have to get the protractor and you have to measure and draw. But they are not expecting that. So what you have to do, you have to assume. Assume means, now when you are taking your circle, let me show it. Now this is your circle, right? I will show with another circle how we are assuming. You have to have an idea. Now when you are going to draw it. If you mark like this way, it indicates 90. If you make something like this, we can take it as 60. Kind of an idea you have to have, because if you have that idea, easily you can do. So first I'm going to draw 96. 96 means I know if I take like this way, exactly should be 90, little bit more. This is my 96. That is how I have taken. Then 60 also I'm taking from the other side. 90 is straight away here. 60 should be somewhere here. Then when I take 72, I'm taking from this side. 60, little bit more than that. It can be 72. Then the other one should be 132. So if you draw like that way, that's more than enough, because they are not asking you all to draw accurately. Here you take 96 degrees. Here you have 60 degrees. Here 132 degrees. And here you are getting 72 degrees. So after that, you have to write the correct person's name there. Now 60 degrees means Malik. That is for Malik. And 96 degrees means Sophie. And then Katrina is 132. And then the next one is Kalu. Right? So that is how you have to find. Now they're asking you to draw a pie chart to show the results of the election. Right? So that is the way we do it.